face, not asking why. A moment comes, a moment goes, no one marks it, no one knows. Hands stay still and move apart, not a signal, not a start. Just how time decides to pass, clear and slow like quiet glass. There's nothing here that needs saying, no name that needs to stay. The day keeps gently playing, moves along its way. If meaning forms, it doesn't stay. It learns to drift, then slips away. Some hours work best when they're thin, letting calm quietly settle in. There's nothing here that needs saying, no promise we need to keep. The day keeps gently playing, wide enough just to breathe. People leave, the light stays on, nothing wrong, nothing done. The room exhales, the moment's gone, nothing that needs saying. I sat down without thinking much. Same corner, same amount of light. The room looked smaller than before, or maybe I just knew it better. People talked then didn't stay. Plates were cleared along the way. Nothing in this place had changed. That's how I noticed you had. We sat here once, you and I, not in a dream, not saying why, just passing time we didn't own. We sat here once, now it's gone. I remembered how you held your cup, like it might say something back. You laughed once, then looked away, as if the moment asked too much. When We never planned what this would be, never named it carefully. That's the cost. It wasn't love that stayed too long. It wasn't right, it wasn't wrong. Just something warm the day I lost inside the crowd. Stays where it always do. Nothing waits, nothing returns. I finish my day with what I learned.